Guys, into this video, I'm gonna be telling you how to make your OBS Studio perfectly ready to make videos. So, using my friend is on iMac, he doesn't know what to do to record. So, I'm gonna show you everything. So, all you're gonna do is you're gonna see sources, right? So do not press on this. It kinda a long time ago it just messed my whole thing. Okay. So you're gonna see deprecated, right? Display capture. I'm gonna do this, okay? You're gonna press on it and then I show you in the scene too. So just like I said, make sure to follow what I just did. Goes to scene 2. I do that. Deprecated display capture. Perfect. So you're gonna see a huge screen. I don't have any tricks to fix it, but all you're gonna do is just gonna scale it like that. Perfect. And then you're gonna scale it again. There you go. After that, it kind of looks really small now, but I'm gonna fix it. So all you're gonna do, you're just gonna see all those stuff. You're gonna go ahead and scale it. Perfect. And scale that. Okay. Then you're gonna scale this. Right? Good. Make sure it fits. And this one, I'll just fix that really quick. Okay. Just like that. That's so dumb. Doesn't matter, but yeah, you're ready to record. If just let me know if I did something wrong. So, for example, if you keep button moving it blah blah blah, you're just gonna see this lock. You're gonna press on it, boom. So now, wait, what the heck? Sorry. So you're gonna press on this, then it's not gonna move anymore. So you're ready to record. So how do you record? So you're gonna go on this screen. You're gonna see this. So it's gonna say start recording. You press on that, and then you're ready to go. So now, how does your mic come? How does your what do you need, and what do you need to make your audio? So first, I'm gonna tell you what to do. So you might need to get a mic. And some people, if they want to add your face, just buy a camera. And I don't have a PC, so if you're you do need a PC, but I don't use a PC. And then all you need is a mic, camera, PC, and other things. You don't need to get a PC or a camera. I use a mic, which is good. So how does your audio come? So what you do is press plus, right? And then you're gonna see audio input capture, that's the mic, and the audio output capture is the desktop audio. So for example, you press on this, just press OK, and then you're just gonna put the device for the mic you have. After that, you added it, your audio is here, and how do you add your mic? It's from the audio input capture, and then you are ready to go to record. And my friend, you watch this tutorial, and I hope you enjoy it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. If you guys need any help on this tutorial more, I could make a huge tutorial. But forgot to mention, if you can actually make live videos, but the problem is that you must, if you need a live shot to see it while you're just gonna have to go to your settings, right? Okay, pressing on the settings, and while you're gonna stream, you have to connect your YouTube channel, and then you get it. After that, and also sometimes people are gonna say, how do my mic work? How do my mic work? It's not going. You're gonna go to your audio, and then you're just gonna use this one, and then you just add your microphone. After that, it's finished. And Yep, and I hope you love this tutorial, and I see you guys in the next video. Peace.